Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can block someone on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can choose an account we want to block. You can search for the account by clicking on the search button, or you can also go to your profile and you can choose the account from your followers or following list right here. And I'm just going to choose an account from my following list. For example, I'm going to block this account. We just need to click on the account like this to open the account's profile, and then we can click on this button on the top right and simply tap on block. Then the account will be blocked. Just click on block again, and now the account is blocked, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's how we can block someone on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.